Today, I'll show you how to export time entries from Clio Manage, a crucial task for anyone looking to manage their billing or keep track of time efficiently. Whether you're a legal professional or anyone else who uses Clio Manage, exporting your time entries can help you create reports, analyze data, or simply keep a backup of your records. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this with ease. First, you'll need to navigate to the Activities tab. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your Clio Manage dashboard. This is where all your time entries and related activities are stored. Clicking on it will open up a comprehensive view of all your track time entries, so you can easily see everything you've logged. Once you're in the Activities section, scroll down to the bottom of your time entry table list. This might take a moment if you have a lot of entries, but it's important to get to the bottom to access all the options available for exporting your data. Now, look for the Export button. It's key to getting your data out of Clio Manage and into a format that's more flexible for your needs. Click on this button to open up your export options. This is where you'll decide which format suits your purpose best. You'll be presented with two choices, CSV or PDF. If you're planning to do some custom tracking or need to perform calculations on your time entries, CSV is the way to go. This format is ideal because it opens seamlessly in programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, where you can manipulate the data to suit your needs. On the other hand, if you're aiming for a clean, print-ready summary of your time entries, selecting PDF will give you a nicely formatted report that's easy to read and share. After you've made your choice between CSV and PDF, go ahead and click on that option. Your file will start downloading immediately. Depending on your browser and settings, it might save automatically to your Downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose a save location. Once downloaded, the file is ready for you to use however you see fit. Exporting your time entries from Clio Manage can significantly streamline your workflow, making it easier to report to clients, analyze your productivity, or even just keep a personal record of your work hours. Remember, the format you choose, CSV or PDF, depends largely on what you plan to do with the data once it's exported. CSV is great for calculations and deeper analysis, while PDF is perfect for creating a clean, printable report. And that's it! You've successfully exported your time entries from Clio Manage. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're making full use of the data you collect, helping you stay organized and efficient in your work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance with Clio Manage, feel free to explore more of our tutorials.